In this video, I'll show you a simple and safe way to clear cached RAM using an official Microsoft tool. This can instantly improve your PC's performance and works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button and open Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, go to the Performance tab and select Memory from the left side. Here, you'll see detailed information about your RAM usage. On the right side, look for the Cached value. This shows how much memory Windows is holding in cache. For example, mine currently shows about 4.3 gigabytes of cached RAM, but your number may be different. Keep Task Manager open so we can see the change later. Now, open your browser and search for RAMMap Microsoft. Open the official Microsoft page and click the Download RAMMap button. The file is very small and downloads quickly as a zip file. Go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. After extracting, open the folder and double-click rammap.exe. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes, then accept the agreement. RAMMap will open and show detailed RAM usage. At the top menu, click Empty, then choose Empty Standby List. The process happens instantly. Now check Task Manager again and you should see the cached memory drop significantly. In my case, it went from around 4 gigabytes to only a few hundred megabytes, freeing a large amount of RAM. This can help your system feel faster and more responsive, especially when cached memory is high. You can use RAMMap whenever your computer feels slow or before running heavy programs. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.